Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An image of automotive luxury reimagined for the open road is evoked by the possibility of a 2026 Rolls-Royce gorgeous motorhome. A speculative design based on the brand's unchanging dedication to unmatched luxury and custom craftsmanship. Although Rolls-Royce has historically concentrated on producing ultra-luxury cars, applying its philosophy to a motorhome would surely provide a vehicle that goes above and beyond expectations, setting a new standard for mobile luxury. Looking at the outside, the 2026 Rolls-Royce gorgeous motorhome would still have the distinctive style of the brand, but on a larger scale. A prominent element would probably be the recognizable Pantheon grille, a representation of automotive prestige, which is bordered by elaborate LED lighting that stretches down the vehicle's sweeping lines. The bodywork would be expertly carved, demonstrating Rolls-Royce's commitment to fine craftsmanship and immaculate details. Its gorgeous reputation would be further accentuated by the availability of custom, possibly hand-polished, paint options in a wide range of colors. The RV would have a distinguished presence on any route because to its imposing and stylish form. The gorgeous part would really come to life once you stepped inside. Handcrafted from the best materials available, the interior would be a lesson in custom luxury. Every surface would be adorned with soft, sustainably sourced leathers that are expertly sewn and fitted. The cabinetry and trim would be adorned with polished veneers that would radiate warmth and refinement, perhaps derived from exotic and rare woods. The arrangement, which might include a large salon for entertaining, a cutting-edge gourmet kitchen, and a master suite with an opulent en-suite bathroom, would be an exercise in ergonomic excellence and aesthetic harmony. From the door handles to the taps, every fixture would be made from high-quality, sturdy materials. The smooth and simple integration of technology would improve comfort without taking away from the timeless charm. While a custom entertainment system, probably with a high-fidelity audio setup and wide, retractable screens, would offer an immersive experience. A sophisticated climate management system would guarantee the ideal temperature and air quality. While surrounded by unmatched peace, connectivity solutions will be subtly incorporated to allow residents to stay in touch with the outside world if they so chose. Although it would not be as good as the living quarters, the driving experience would be up to Rolls-Royce standards. Easy propulsion from a powerful yet whisper-quiet powertrain would provide a calm and comfortable ride. Potentially adjustable and self-leveling, the suspension system would protect passengers from uneven roads and provide the fabled magic carpet ride. In addition to being a means of transportation, the 2026 Rolls-Royce gorgeous motorhome would make a statement and serve as a private haven on wheels, providing an unparalleled degree of luxury and exclusivity for the select few who expect nothing less than the best, even when traveling the world in the comfort of their rolling palace. It would push the limits of automobile luxury to a whole new level and redefine what is feasible in mobile living.